Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use RSI technical indicator to pinpoint ready-made breakout trading signal. Do you like the word ready-made? Alright, so today I want to share with you, alright, a specific breakout trading strategy that uses the relative strength index indicator, the momentum oscillator, RSI. How can we use the RSI to pinpoint ready-made breakout trading signal? Are you a breakout trader? Do you use a breakout trading system or strategies? Do you want to improve your breakout trading, or do you want to scan for stocks that are ready-made, okay, breakout, okay, a candidate, so to speak, all right? So if you are screening for stock or you are scanning for stock, I can share with you how you can screen for stock or scan for stock that are ready, okay, to burst up or burst down, all right? I want to keep this video very short, so I'm not going to repeat myself very much. I will go straight to the point. So the first thing that we are looking for is a cycle point. So you may say to me, George, what is a cycle point? And I'll say that's a very good question. And all I will do, I will start looking here and refer you to a previous video that I have recorded, barking and shouting and talking blah 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 about a cycle point. The first video that you can watch is the title is Stock Technical Trader Explains the Power of a Cycle Point in a Financial Market. You can watch that video at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4, Stock Trader YouTube channel. The title once again is Stock Technical Trader Explains the Power of a Cycle Point in a Financial Market. Right? So it's very simple. The cycle point is when a price performs 180 degree turn. So here you see, start going down, 180 degree turn. Well, have you done that before? All right. So if something goes, if you haven't done that before, something start going down or up from one point and return to the same point, that's a 180 degree turn. All right. So you start going down from here, you return back to the same point. So this is the point, that's the line, and return to that point. Okay, that is a cycle point. The opposite is also true. If you start going down from one point, it goes up for a while and return back to the same point. That's a cycle point. All right, you may do all kind of things before reaching this point, but this is a cycle point. Some traders may disagree and say, George, is when you may say, all right, George, in fact, it's like this. When it goes up and come back below and then return back to a cycle point. That's another matter. We'll be talking about it in another video when I will be posting video about a series of video about cycles, okay, in the financial market. All right. So let's continue with our discussion without wasting too much time. So if we see a financial instrument, a stock, a commodity, indices or any financial instrument returning to a cycle point, all right, we will now pay attention to RSI. The second question that we want to ask, where is the RSI? If the RSI is superior to 70, so we draw the level of 70, all right, if the price is at the cycle point and the RSI is a little bit above the level of 70, preferably 80, will be good, 80 level will be good. Okay, we have a ready-made breakout financial instrument. Right? That's it. That's all. So if you want to scan for stock or scan for ready-made breakout candidates, the criteria that you can use, all right, is RSI, okay, superior to 70. So your screening, okay, software will bring out stock with the RSI above superior to 70. But you will now, okay, manually check, look for stock that are at a cycle point. So you will filter out those that are not at a cycle point, and you will only select those that are at a cycle point. So a financial instrument that is at a cycle point and the RSI strictly superior to 70 are ready-made breakout a candidate. Now, this is not an exact science, right? Though a lot of traders are mathematicians, they like it to be accurate, precise, and they like that. Remember that in a financial market, it's not exactly 1 plus 1 equal 2. You will notice sometimes, this is a warning, a big warning. You will notice sometimes that the price may be at a cycle point, the RSI may be at 80, or 78 or 77, above 70, all right, but the price you may not see a proper breakout. Remember that warning. Right? So I have one example here where things work beautifully. So sometimes things work beautifully, and that's why we can work with it. If it can work beautifully 1 or 3 or 4 times, it means that we can use it, all right? So we can use it. We can apply that strategy, and we want to know how to trade it, all right? I need to watch the time carefully because I don't want this video to go over 9 minutes, so I got 3 minutes left to finish it off very fast. So stay with me, please. So we got 2 minutes more. So price at a cycle point, RSI strictly superior to 70. We have already made a breakout candidate. Here we have this stock, air cap. Well, this is difficult. Air capped holding epic AER. It was at a cycle point. The RSI at this point in time was in a zone, you can see here, 78, 38, so well above 70. It is at a cycle point. Look what's happened. We have the price gently breaks above that cycle point. It went up a bit and then gap up, run away. This is what we are looking for. This is what we are talking about today. Ready-made breakout candidate. Sometimes you will see stock that will go up like this, all right, and then pull back to a cycle point. All right, so you may be wondering which level should we watch in this case. I will be recording another video when I will be talking about that, but in this tutorial I want to concentrate on the bullish breakout. Price at a cycle point, RSI strictly superior to 70. All right, we will now implement a top-down trade method. So we'll put this stock on our bullish watch list. The next step is to check the economy news, the market environment, and use a thorough top-down trading method. Sometimes the price may not break out as we will expect it, but very often you will see exactly that. I leave it to you to work with it, to polish it until you master it. As always, if you learn something new for the first time, it's very important to test and retest it before going live. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the GSTW 24 traders talking about how to use the RSI technical indicator to pinpoint ready-made breakout trading signal. So we have first the trading setup, and that trading setup will generate the breakout trading signal by using different temperature method. So we see on the monthly, weekly. So I would prefer also, one more thing very important, I would prefer that traders use the weekly chart for this strategy. All right, I like the weekly chart for this strategy, so I mentioned it to you. Though we can use it on any time frame, all right, pay attention to the weekly chart where the price is at the cycle point, weekly chart. But we can use it on any time frame, all right? As always, if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW 24 traders. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. RSI superior to 70 price as a cycle point. We have a ready-made breakout candidate, but we must use a top-down trading method to trade it. We will not assume anything, all right? We just take it like a pro, all right? Sometimes you may not see a proper breakout, but very often you will see a breakout or even a gap. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.